Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. Shh, I have a secret I'd like to share with you. Come a little bit closer. Okay, you ready? Let's talk about The Simple Traffic Blueprint by Philip Borrowman. Okay, so what's the big secret? What is the secret? Well, the secret is work. The secret is consistency. The secret is having the right mindset. All these points are covered very well and exceptionally by Philip Borrowman in the Simple Traffic Blueprint program. Simple Traffic Blueprint program is a well-supported, very inexpensive program that is there and available for any person who's serious in making money online. Whether you've had success or not to this point doesn't matter. When I found the program last fall, had limited success. I had a few blogs that made me a few pennies a month, and I mean pennies per month. But the fact was I had worked very, very hard to get to where I was, and I was very, to the point of giving up. I had basically enough. I'd worked for about 8 years learning. We're working long hours in addition to a job I had, going through a year of cancer treatments in addition, I kept consistently working. Then I had goals and aspirations of replacing income as I got older from the business I had. I ended up selling it, and then I ended up contracting cancer shortly after that. But during that whole time, I kept looking and searching. I kept buying programs, buying more and more programs, and I was ready to give up last June and July because I bought another program. I spent a month and a half on it, and then I realized it was like every other one that I worked on, every other one I had purchased in the last 7, 8 years at that point, and there was still something lacking, still something not quite right. But then I read an email one day which came in and got my attention. And that's what I want to talk to you today, is that we want to go over the Simple Traffic Blueprint program with you and what's involved in the program, how it works, and then I want to talk to you about the fantastic support you get along with it. So let's move on to that now. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a tour of the Simple Traffic Blueprint. Okay, so the program, when you open it up, you purchase it. Looks like many other programs that I've purchased before. However, once you dig in and once you listen and you take each step for step in the order that they're presented, I soon learned that the program was not like any other program I had purchased. This program seemed to just fit where I was at, which was confused about things, didn't have enough knowledge to continue things sometimes in programs. Does that sound familiar? Yes, it probably does. Not knowing what the next step is was always my biggest problem with any of the programs I bought. And then I would reach out to support on the programs, whether it be $1,000 program or a $2,000 program or a $500 program. I had the same results every time. I'd either be shipped off to another person from another country handling the support, who had limited knowledge of basically being able to answer my question when I thought I was going to get support from the person who wrote the program. However, with Simple Traffic Blueprint, I found that Philip is the person who wrote the program, developed the program, and is the person who is going to talk to you and help you through your questions and your problems with the program. So, without any further ado, let's move on. So, in the first module, basically there's an introduction video, which you looked at. And very important, one thing I learned really quickly, I used to do this with programs all the time. I would I'd look at a video, and then look at a video, and then I'd look ahead. I was always looking ahead to see what else there was. Like, instead of watching these videos in order that they're presented, I would jump from the intro video right down to Okay, what's the summary for this part? And then I go, okay, let's go to module number 2. And that video looks interesting. Yeah, okay, I know all that stuff. You start listening to it and you go, I already know that. So you'd skip it. Then you move on down to another one. And you watch that and you go, yeah, I already know that too. But the problem is, that's one of my problems. I needed to take this serious and look at it from, and Philip talks about that in the intro video. Please follow the program as it's written, step for step, bite for bite. Stay focused, and take it step for step. So, anyway, enough ranting about that. But the training steps are laid out in the introduction, give you an overview, frequently asked. And one thing you'll notice too is that as we look at some of these videos are all reasonably short. I think the longest video on here is maybe 17, 18 minutes long. If you work a job, or if you have many other activities, other things you're doing in your life and you want to work this in, you can do it. I would say if you work 10, 12 hours a week of condensed, concerned effort towards a goal, you can do this program with no problems and make progress with it. So there's a 2-minute, 36-second frequently asked, area here. These are questions, and what he does, most of this too, is he gives them in video form, and then he writes out, so you can read along too. Whatever it is here, the question, the answer, question, the answer, like that. So, anyways, the program went on. Anyways, I moved through the program. I went from this part here, and then as I followed through, I'd go to module number 2, getting started. And that's where I started running into problems. I started looking at, choosing a niche. Well, I know how to choose a niche. I've seen this in 15 other products I've purchased over the last 6 years. Well, yeah, maybe, but maybe not this way. Maybe you haven't heard what Philip has to say. The one thing I loved about this program is that Philip talks a lot, wraps in a lot of these videos, mindset. What you've done in the past, what you think about, where you're thinking right now. He gets inside your head and you go, yeah, that is what I'm thinking. Yeah, that is what I did. And then he points out, well, this is really what you should be doing. So the problem is, let's get this straight. The problem is, what you need to do is follow this directly and listen to everything. And then if you have questions, please write Philip. Please get a hold of Philip on Skype. Please email him. But let him know that you got a problem with it. He'll understand it. He'll straighten you out and give you answers to it. So then number 3 is implementation. As you see, as you've completed the program, it'll come up check marks so you know where you've left off, which is really nice too. Like you look at keyword research, practical keyword research. And what you're going to do, you find in these modules is that they're so complete. This is 2 minutes and 43 seconds. But here again, if you learn by video, it's provided. If you learn by reading, it's provided here too for you. And with the support, how can you lose? The only problem is to get out of your own way. Listen and do. Simple. Listen and do, listen and do, listen and do. If you're not sure what to do, find out what to do. As Philip has always said, he can't help you if you don't let him know where you're at and what you need help with. The other thing that I found really interesting about this program, is that there's so much support built into it that it's amazing. Let's take a look at some of the Facebook page and how much support there is. So you're recommended to go to the Taking Action Online Inner Circle. It's a private group. Philip will let you into the group. Here's a question I had back in October. And look at these responses, 21 responses. These are from other members of other purchasers of the product. People want to help you out. I've become Facebook friends with all these people. We help each other out. And it's not just me, okay? Let's look over here. Let's look here. Okay. Here's a post from yesterday morning. Philip is posted very actively in here. Here's a new member of another program, just giving his thoughts, providing a video for us to find out what he thought about the program he's involved in. There's another new member of Philip has a new program called Advanced Traffic Blueprint. But there's a lot of support in here, just tons of support from people. People ask questions, people post videos. If you have problems, Philip is there to answer. One of my favorite things is Philip has done a program that he's at 22 or 23 videos strong now called No 0 Days. It's basically just where he's talking about why it's important not to have a no 0 day. Always try to be doing something to build your business. So let's go back to the program again. So we're back at number 3. This is the implementation, where the rubber meets the road. Rubber hits the road. Your keyword research, content research, creating a video, creating videos more, cheat sheet, uploading videos, how to do it, designing a landing page. This is involving setting up videos of your own YouTube channel, getting over the fears of creating your own videos, and then tying up loose ends, the conclusion to what's being taught in the program. And when he says things like most important video, it's because it is the most important video. And like I said, the one thing I really love about this program is how much the mindset is addressed. Because as we've all had our experiences online, we all have had disappointments. We've all been frustrated. We've all been angry. We've all been pissed off for buying a product, beating ourselves up over it. But as you move through the product, you realize that you're not alone. There's many other people like you that have had the same problems and have had the same experiences. And we can all talk each other off the ledge, if you will. So, but the thing is, here's a video to watch and talks a lot about the mindset, which is the thing I always found intriguing, was what makes a person successful and what makes a person not successful. So that's some of what I think and my views of the Simple Traffic Blueprint from Philip Borrowman. Let's hear from Philip now himself as he explains some of the program through his eyes to you.
Hi guys, my name is Philip Borrowman and welcome to the Simple Traffic Blueprint. The purpose of this training is to show you a streamlined, bare-bone and practical way for you to generate traffic, leads and sales to your affiliate offers, squeeze pages and blog posts via YouTube. No experience is needed here, and this training will guide you through the entire process. Don't worry about what niche to pick or what product to promote. This is all covered inside the training. If you get stuck, then reach out to me, as I love helping struggling entrepreneurs. So for God's sake, please reach out. I don't bite and I want to help you. You are going to set up a simple traffic source using YouTube and filter that traffic to your own landing pages. You then collect people's email addresses and pass them on to an affiliate offer where you make commissions when they buy. You'll also follow up with additional automated email marketing where you will generate even more revenue from emails. But don't worry, I will give you a full overview of this entire strategy in the next few videos. The Simple Traffic Blueprint is a simple, effective, and the least complicated strategy which you can use to make money online. Even an experienced marketer can use this strategy to generate more income. In fact, during the months before the release of the Simple Traffic Blueprint, I taught a very similar strategy like this to my one-on-one coaching group, which was limited to only 20 students. And here are the results from one of my students. He got these results after only uploading less than 15 videos to his channel. As you can see, by following what I teach, Ken now actually has a real business on his hands, which he can grow and nurture to generate monthly income from his channel. This one-on-one coaching group sold out in less than 4 days, and I hand-held my students all the way to ensure they saw the best results. They are living proof that this strategy actually does work. If you implement what I teach and you follow through, then you stand a fantastic chance of seeing real results. If you complain and bitch and moan and use any excuse to quit, then you will fail guaranteed. You will see from the way I teach that my style is a little bit different from what you're used to seeing online, as I believe in tough love. So make damn sure you watch all my training videos, do not skip a single one. And also, before I forget, if you want me to take you by the hand and hold you accountable, be sure to join the waiting list for the next one-on-one coaching group, which starts really soon. Simply click the link below and join. But for now, let's get going with this training and let me show you how easy it is to implement this strategy. My name is Philip Borrowman, and I look forward to watching you growing and becoming my next success story by using the Simple Traffic Blueprint method. Thanks.
And I would say that if you have any questions prior to purchasing it, contact me at the email provided in the description to the video. I'd be happy to answer any questions. In fact, when I bought the advanced product from this, I went back and forth for over a month with about 6 members of Taking Action Online about their experiences with Philip before I even decided to spend the money on the additional program that was available beyond this program. So the thing is, reach out to Philip even before you buy the program. If you have any questions or you're a skeptic about anything, talk to them. Talk to him, talk to me, and see what you think. And the thing that's important is that if you purchase Simple Traffic Blueprint from this link, from this video, you get a bonus today. The bonus is that I am your bonus. Yes, that's what I said. I am your bonus. I will personally set aside time on Skype to talk with you, meet with you, get to know you, and answer any questions you have. And we can become good friends and become a helpful person in helping you build your online business, as well as Philip. And Philip will be there every step for you too. So you'll get 2 for the price of 1 today. You get Philip and you get me as your bonus, that I can be your mentor as we move forward in this. So that's my review of the Simple Traffic Blueprint by Philip Borrowman. I personally have met Philip, and I recommend the program highly to someone who's serious about making money online. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you're subscribed to our channel, and also while you're there, tap that bell icon so that you can be notified every time I publish a new video to the channel. So long.